Ever seen a transparent Samsung keyboard and thought, wait, how did they do that? It looks clean, modern, and honestly pretty cool. The best part? You don't need any weird apps or complicated settings. Let me show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Alright, I'm going to assume a few things first. You already have Good Lock or Fine Lock installed. Either one works. And you've also installed the Theme Park module. Now open Theme Park and tap on the keyboard menu. Next, tap Create New to start making your own keyboard style. See that little circle icon in the top right corner? Yeah, tap that. Here's the important part. Set the transparency level to 0, then tap OK. You'll instantly see the keyboard background disappear. After that, tap the Save icon in the top right corner. Give your new keyboard a name, anything you like, then tap OK. Now just tap on your new keyboard theme and hit Apply. And boom, your Samsung keyboard is now fully transparent. If you want the transparency to look even cooler, try switching your keyboard to floating mode. It looks way cleaner on the screen. Want a tutorial on how to do that too? Let me know in the comments. Because once you see it, you might never go back to a normal keyboard again.